In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in TradingView Mobile chart. This is a simple way to leave reminders, mark trade ideas, or capture quick thoughts right on the chart you're analyzing so nothing gets lost between sessions. Start by opening the TradingView app on your phone. Once you're in, head to the chart section using the button along the bottom of the screen. That brings you into the main workspace where you can view price action. It's a good idea to make sure you're looking at the symbol and time frame you actually want to annotate, so the note you add is exactly where you need it in your workflow. Next, look for the pencil icon at the bottom of the screen. This opens the drawing tools. From here, switch to the annotation tab. Annotations are designed for adding notes and labels, which is perfect for text. Find the text tool in this list. If your toolbar shows a lot of items and you don't immediately see text, use the search field within the Tools panel to locate it quickly. Selecting text tells the app you're about to place a note on the chart. Now tap directly on the chart where you want your note to live and type your message. The keyboard will appear so you can enter whatever's helpful, maybe a reminder about your entry criteria, an earnings date, or a key level you're tracking. Keep it concise and clear so it's easy to read at a glance while you analyze. Placing the text near the relevant candles or price level makes it more meaningful because the note effectively anchors to that area of the chart. That's all there is to it. Open the chart, tap the pencil to access tools, choose the annotation tab, pick text, then tap the chart and type your note. Using text this way keeps your reasoning visible right where decisions happen, helping you stay organized and consistent. With a few practice runs, adding clear, helpful notes will become second nature every time you review a setup.